Hello everyone, it's Keeping It True with Chinwe here, and you are all welcome to my kitchen. In today's recipe, we are making vegetable chicken couscous. Yes, you're going to enjoy today's recipe because it's very simple to put together and it tastes so delicious. So without wasting much of your time, I want to show you my ingredients. I have diced chicken thighs. I'm using my favorite part of chicken. You can use chicken breast. Even this recipe you can use fish, salmon. It's just a versatile food, okay? So feel free to use any protein of your choice. I have fresh parsley. If you don't like the smell, because some people doesn't like parsley, if you don't like it, you can skip. So I have garlic here. If you don't like garlic, you can skip it as well. I have seasoning cube, salt to taste. I have some coconut oil and olive oil. I want that taste of coconut in my couscous. So if you don't like coconut, you can skip it. I have some sweet corn. This is aromatic and turmeric. I have 2 onion and scotch bonnets, my curry powder, some mixed vegetable here, carrots, red bell pepper and yellow bell pepper. So here is the main ingredients: couscous. Here I'll add coconut oil and add some olive oil. Now I'll add in my chicken, my diced chicken. I'll just add some aromatic and some salt. Just be careful on how you add salt to this recipe. Just be careful. So I will just stir together and allow it to fry a little bit. My chicken is ready now. I will just take it out from oil and set it aside. So to that I will add my blended onion and garlic and the pepper. I blended all of them together. Here is my parsley. Now I'll add some curry powder, a tiny bit of turmeric, just a tiny bit. Now I'll add my mixed vegetable, sweet corn and 1 seasoning cube. So I'm adding my couscous now. 2 cups of couscous. That's okay. Make sure that everything is well combined. Now I'll add my hot water. So I'll add the chicken back and stir everything together. Now we cover it to absorb all the water. Voila! Our couscous is ready. Guys, this meal is super delicious. It's source of protein, low in fat and source of fiber. Very healthy, guys. So that is it. It's looking so good and so yummy. Thank you guys for watching. Love you all. Always be positive. Bye.